Good morning. This is Akashvani Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yantan. Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare, SP Singh Baghel, yesterday said that the government is working towards providing last-mile coverage to provide health services to remote areas of the country. Addressing the 17th edition of FICCI HEAL 2023 in New Delhi, the minister said there is a need to address the healthcare concerns of Indians who are not able to access quality healthcare. Baghel said that under the Ayushman Bharat digital mission, the government through telemedicine is trying to provide medical coverage to citizens who cannot access affordable healthcare. He said that under the Ayushman Bharat program, over 70,000 crore rupees have been utilized to promote affordable healthcare in India. Baghel informed that till date, over 1.80 crore Ayushman cards and 2.31 crore Ayushman Bharat health account IDs have been created. The Diocese of Kohima, which comprises the whole Catholic community of Nagaland, is all set to celebrate the Golden Jubilee under the theme For Christ and His Church from tomorrow at Mary Help of Christian Cathedral, Kohima. Bishop of Kohima Dr. James Topil, addressing a press conference in Kohima yesterday, called the members of the church to renew, retrospect and rededicate oneself through transformative gospel values which will permeate into all spheres of life. The bishop said that the diocese was formed along with Imphal in 1973 and called Diocese of Kohima Imphal. It was only in 1980 the two were separated into dioceses. The bishop said the Jubilee will be celebrated along biblical values of internal spiritual renewal and rededication of oneself as members of the society. He said a Jubilee can only be celebrated if we enable these gospel values to drive us in the entire life of the individual and guide us in making the decisions whether in the family, society or community. Joni Ryongmai informed that it is expecting around 10,000 participants during the main celebration on Sunday and about 5,000 on Saturday. In Nagaland, there are over 60,000 Catholic members spread across 57 parishes in all nook and corners of the state. To celebrate the universality of the Catholic faith, the Jubilee will have congregation from different parishes all over the state and outside of the state, along with bishops, nuns and priests of the region and abroad. Holy Eucharistic celebration, Marian procession, sacramental activities, baptism, First Holy Communion are important highlights of the Jubilee. A one-day awareness seminar on substance abuse for child care institutions and other stakeholders of Kohima district was organized by Department of Social Welfare yesterday. Gato Angami from ARC Foundation emphasized on the need to intensify fight against drugs to mitigate the menace which was growing rampantly. He said the nexus of the business has reached the remotest parts of the state, which was not confined to male population, but include women, children as young as 12 and 13 years, and college students. He said without withdrawal of drug abuse, there is no shortcut for de-addiction. Sanjopeni from ARC Foundation, while presenting on nature and type of substance abuse counseling in child care institutions set up, called for collaborative efforts among all sections to raise awareness and encourage people to seek professional services and intervention. She also highlighted on the need to network with various agencies and stakeholders to provide help and services to the substance users. Seko Dauho, District Child Protection Officer Kohima, expressed hope that the event would enable the stakeholders working for the children's rights and safety to address the issues and broaden their horizons to reach out to children who need care and protection. A 2-week capacity program on curriculum development for higher education teachers began yesterday at Nagaland University Miramar campus. Pro-Vice Chancellor of Nagaland University, Professor G.T. Tong, in his inaugural address opined that curriculum design should be learner-centered, traditional subject-centered design and problem-centered design. He said it should focus on the involvement of the pupils in the learning process, imbibing problem solving and communication, enhancing skills of the students. Program Director Dr. Sushil Kumar Singh said teachers play a vital role in the society and for which they need to be enlightened to guide a new generation on the path of perfection. Dean of Humanities and Education Dr. Jano Lekise encouraged the participants to work towards building academic friendship and to step up with a renewed zeal, determination and purpose. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.